Hey guys, I created this app called Strava Weather, and the reason I created it was because I wanted to know the weather at the start and the end of the bike rides that I go on, because sometimes I'm not at the location of the bike ride, so I want to know what the weather's like at that location. So to get started, what you want to do is log in through your Strava account, authorize it. Once you're authorized, it'll come back, and what you want to do is enter a ride ID. What you can do to get a ride ID is go to your Strava account. If you don't have one, you can make one and just log a ride. After that, you want to go to your profile, choose a ride that you've done. Copy and paste this ride ID. Oh, that was not the right one. Oh, it was the right one. Press the submit box. And then it'll tell you the weather at the start or the end, and then the start of the ride. Thanks for watching.